Good morning. Merry Christmas. Today's Christmas and we are in Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic. We are going to have a fun day. We're going to explore the city, take Carla around. She wants to see the monkeys. And we're going to try to get the cable car and go up to the top and look at all the views and stuff. But here we are, getting ready to dock. Like Adventures of the Seas is here with us. Last time we had a really good time. The pool was like really nice, not crowded, everything. So today might be a little bit different, but we're gonna have fun anyway. Let's go. There's these weird piles of slime. I don't know. Maybe it's a melted octopus? Who knows? There's the other slime. Melted slime. It's colorful. Just don't know the story behind that. Who knows? Here's the pool deck. Nice and early in the morning. Quiet. And then behind there, there's this. That's pretty cool.
All right, here's our Christmas present. There's our Christmas present. It's room service. This is how they bring you room service. Let's dig into this. So behind dish number 1, eggs, bacon, and potatoes. Behind container number 2, French toast, chicken sausage, and bacon. And then we got milk, coffee, juice. So all that was $9. You have to order something, and then you can order whatever you want. They charge us for the juice and the coffee. So there you go. Carla got toast and bacon as well, so pretty cool. Well, we're here. Puerto Plata. We're in port today with Royal Caribbean Independence of the Seas. And yeah, or did I? No, I'm sorry. That Adventure of the Seas. I'm sorry. Adventure. Looks like a overcast day. About 80 degrees, 82 degrees, something like that. We're gonna do a few things around town and then we're gonna hit the pool at Taino Bay. We did a vlog on that before, I know, but it's what you do here. Taino Bay is awesome. There might be some monkeys today though. We have our daughter Carla with us and she wants to do the monkeys, so it's gonna be a good time. Let's go out for an adventure. Hello. Lazy River. We're gonna be on there. There's the ships. There's the ship over there.
Ah, pues yo lo voy a llevar teleférico ida y vuelta. Y si quieren pararse en la ciudad no importa, por $10 cada uno. Soy un precio local.
Okay, so the first sketchiness of this trip.
What is it? What is it? It's our friend.
Taxi ride to the mountain cable car.
Hopefully we make it.
$10 round trip. Not a bad deal. It's pretty cool right there. This is the first time we've ever done this. So far, we got a taxi from the port. It was going to be $10 each.
Round trip.
Round trip. So he's picking us up. He picked us up there. He's here waiting, and he's going to take us back. The trolley is $10. They said it takes about, I keep calling it a trolley, a cable car. It's gonna take 10 minutes to go up the mountain. And then when you get up there, there's like some picture opportunities, there's a restaurant, that's all kinds of, you know, all that fun stuff.
A big statue of the Redeemer.
Yeah.
Replica from Brazil.
So, now we're just waiting our turn. We gotta wait for a car to come back. There's one on the way, so yeah, pretty cool. Alright, here we go. About 20 people in here.
Is it really?
Yelling.
Front row seat, huh? I'm sick of it. Allá abajo, let's go, let's go. Allá abajo.
Be quiet.
Look at that view right there. That view is amazing. There's our ships. So this cable car has been built for 48 years. And they replaced the cable when it needs it. So, pretty nice. So this statue is a smaller replica of the statue in Rio in Brazil. So that's pretty neat. We want to go to Brazil and see that, and here we are in Puerto Plata in the Dominican Republic, and it's here. So the things you learn about getting off the ship in these islands is amazing. This is like, it's amazing. And then you take these views. The ships are down there. Puerto Plata. It's a huge little city here. If you come to this island, get off the ship. It's a sleeper. You have to get past the, you know, the people who's trying to make a living. I don't gotta, they're hustling. That's fine. It's, just keep walking. Take the trolley over here. It's worth it. $10, come on. For this, is amazing.
What your risk is of living when driving to Lakeland. Ooh, I should have brought bug trees. I see them.
Hey, I gotta talk about a view about these things. Where do you see bugs?
What are they like? They're flying around.
Who would have thought this is here? It's like a mile away from the port. I mean, what an amazing little national park. That's pretty neat. Okay, now this step is pretty bad. So like when you get to that last step, come this way.
Come this way, Carla, when you get off here. Oh, very
I don't know how much light you can see, folks, but this is the cave. I think this is as far as it goes.
Oh, really?
Can y'all see anything in there? There's nothing in here. Okay, there's nothing in here.
He's like, what do you think is a typical house? Why would you take
No, that's not it, man. It's just a house is done. My bad.
He's the translator for the tour, and he's telling us this was a house and it ain't nothing but a flower garden.
My bad.
We might be in trouble. Okay, so we just learned something about these flowers.
They're ginger lilies.
When somebody passes away, these are the flowers they take to.
They're called ginger
So
lilies.
we're walking through a beautiful
And in the Dominican Republic, there are the plant that people bring to funerals. Like,
So nobody likes them here.
yeah, so nobody likes them here. And here we are, Floridians. I kind of like them.
They're pretty.
Pretty. But here in Dominican, no. funeral arrangements. Very interesting. Who would have thunk that? Okay, so that was an amazing little excursion. The streetcar, trolley, cable car, whatever you want to call it. $10 a person. Make sure you get you a tour guide. Help him out a little bit. We tipped him pretty good. He helped us skip the line. We waited 20 minutes. If not, it would have been 2 hours. So money walks. Do it. So now we're headed back downtown. We're gonna go see some umbrellas, the Pink Street. Yeah. So yeah, if you're here in Puerto Plata, check that out. Very nice. Okay, now we're at San Felipe Cathedral. Keep in mind today is Christmas, so it's decorated a little bit, not a lot, but a little bit.
The baby Jesus, yeah?
It's pretty amazing.
So we just went on the church there, and now we're in Central Park, or City Park. They have it all decorated real nice for Christmas. I bet it looks nice at night. And there's pigeons everywhere. Pretty cool place around here. They have a really pretty Christmas tree.
That was the Cathedral of St. Felipe. It's pretty neat. It's pretty neat. Now we are going towards Umbrella Street and Pink Street. But yeah, we're just casually walking through downtown Puerto Plata. Yeah, pretty nice. Pretty nice. We got us a tour guide this time. We're not walking by ourselves, so we got us a tour guide. So show you Umbrella Street when we get there. So yeah, pretty neat. This is the Umbrella Street. Okay, there's something going on down here on Umbrella Street. I don't know if it's because it's Christmas or just whatever, but they have this car collection down here, classics. Oh, I'm sorry. These are some nice cars. This is the classics. And then here's the famous Pink Street, Paseo de Donna Blanca.
She's wearing a dress. Poor monkey.
Everything on this street is pink. Okay, So we're back from part one. Part one. We're fixing to eat and get back off. But anyways, we walked into the room. Today is Christmas, and this is on our bed.
We got a gift.
Boom.
Always the card.
We're gonna
first.
let Carla read the card.
Welcome aboard our Tis the Season sailings. Thank you for supporting us over the last year and the years before. Blah blah blah. And then it just says way too nice.
Oh. Sales pitch. Now let's see what's in the box. What's in the box?
Is it an ornament? Is it a nutcracker?
What's in the
You're gonna
box?
love it.
Is it a sailor
You're
nutcracker?
gonna love it.
Yo! Whoa!
What's the other one?
The other one is a red one. Like a rock star.
Oh, that's pretty cool right there.
Cool.
That's amazing.
Thank you, Virgin.
That's pretty cool.
How about that? 2 nutcrackers to add to our collection. Virgin nutcrackers.
And guess what? Carla collects nutcrackers. She has a whole bunch of them at home. So that's pretty cool.
Thanks, Virgin.
Thank you.
We appreciate it.
Yeah.
If you ever watch this, we need sponsors. Sponsor us.
Yeah.
Social media. I'm just kidding. All right, we're in pool mode. We're gonna go Puerto Plata Part 2, but we're getting lunch first. We're at the Sun Club Cafe. We're gonna get some bao buns and a poke bowl. And we're just looking at this water while they're making our food. Take a look. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Baby.
Round 2.
All right, we headed out again. We had that food at the Sun Club Cafe.
Oh, it was good.
She got the chicken jasmine.
5-spice poke bowl.
Yeah, poke bowl.
It was
Really good. I got the tuna poke. It needed more sauce. If it had more sauce, it'd have been really good. I like the barbecue beef bao bun. She liked the oyster mushroom one, I think, the best.
Yep.
Because the beef one has watermelon and she does not like watermelon.
Nope.
So now we're headed over to the pool over here at Taino Bay. Gonna party a little bit. Gonna party.
Gonna relax.
We're gonna relax in the shade in the pool. We lost our third wheel though.
Carla's out. She's going to take a nap. She's had enough.
24 years old.
No monkeys.
Kid needs to. She can't hang, man.
She didn't see the monkeys. She didn't get a massage. She just didn't want to do it. So.
Vamos. Full time.
Stay right there, do it. Oh, damn. You're sexy. Oh. Come on, girl. Don't stop.
That's all I can do. How about this view? There's our ship right there.
Right.
We're trying to be pier runners. Well, that was a good day. So back on board is 5:30. It is currently 10 after 5. We are walking towards the ship right now. Anyways, tuk-tuk. We're getting on the tuk-tuk. And then we're gonna go get some extra virgin. So yeah, back to the ship.
Amazing day. I had a fun time going up to the top in the cable car, coming back down, exploring the city, going to the pool, chilling out with friends. Fun day. Really fun day in Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic. If you got to get here, get here. It was a very fun Christmas day. See ya.
All right, we're back on the ship. We were not pier runners. We got on at 5:20. Back on board was 5:30. But we did that on purpose. We wanted to enjoy the day. So we were literally just a tut-tut ride back. So we rode the tut-tut back. Had 10 minutes to spare. So now we're all changed. We're going to Extra Virgin tonight. Italian food, yummy, yummy. And who knows what the night will bring, but we sure will share it with you. That was Carla's head you just saw there. So,
Hey, Merry Christmas.
she's been sleeping since like 1 o'clock. It probably wasn't 1 o'clock. It's probably
I
like 2
think she
o'clock.
feels better though.
So, but she feels better, so that's good. She's ready to party now. Party time. Anyways, dinner time. Let's go. We're hungry. We hungry. Well, okay, folks. The vlog is probably going to end here tonight. The food at Extra Virgin is so good.
Delicious. I learned a new word.
What's that?
Bombolini? Or
What?
something like that.
It's Italian for beignets.
Donut holes with sugar. Yummy. They were good.
Yeah. So anyways, enjoy the pictures. Food porn. But it's been a good day. We got to get rested because we're doing it all again tomorrow in San Juan.
San
We're
Juan.
going to El Yunque
Yonke.
or Yunque.
However, the rainforest.
If you're a white person, you say Yunk. If you're not, you say Yunque. I think the locals say Yunque. Anyways, we're going to sleep at 8 o'clock. Actually, we're really not, but we're just not. Nothing's going on tonight, so.
We're going to walk the ship.
Right.
Get some exercise, walk off dinner, and then get ready for sleep.
Yes. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure you check out tomorrow. San Juan Day. Today was a good day. Adios.
We gotcha.